beta, by mistake from exercise 2.1 question number 1 I have not written last line. Okay, you have seen that when we were finding the which order it was, ascending order. Okay, up to here I have written, but final answer I was forget to write. Okay, see here, 5 upon 3, what is that? 1, 2 upon 3, less than 23 upon 8, 2, 7 upon 8. Because in this way also we have to write less than 24 upon 5. 24 upon 5 means 4, 4 upon 5, less than 29 upon 6 is 4, 5 upon 6. So write this one also finally in your answer, 4, 5 upon 6. So this is our ascending order. Okay, so complete this one in this way. Now I am proceeding to the next till divide, multiply and divide of the fractions we have learned. Okay, and all types of questions I have discussed with you from question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, now if you will have doubt from these questions, then you will write me, and I will in the next my videos I will discuss these doubts also. Okay, and rest of the part I am leaving for you, and now I am proceeding to the question number 3rd. Now see that beta, 6 upon 10 divided by 12 upon 20. First you solve the division of these two fractions as earlier we were doing division. See that's 10 upon 6 upon 10 multiplied reciprocal of 12 upon 20 multiplied by 1 upon 6. See that how much what it will be, 6 upon 10 multiplied by reciprocal means 20 will go on numerator, 20 upon 12 multiplied by 1 upon 6. Then numerator in division multiplication. Now see that numerator and numerator will be multiplied, 6 into 20. Okay, or directly all the numbers also you can write numerator into 1 upon 10 into 12 into 6. Okay, in this way also you can do. Now you can see that 6 by 6 they can cancel. Okay, or 10 2 ja 20, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Now in numerator how much written? 1 into 1 upon here 6. So what will be your answer? Finally 1 upon 6. Okay, see that one more part of this question I am doing, and then one part will left for you. C part I am taking now. See that B part you will do yourself. C part 1 5 upon 8 into 56 upon 100 divided by 5 30 upon 50. Okay, how you will do? See that first, whenever the mixed fraction will be there, change them in improper fraction first in first step. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 upon 8 into 56 upon 100 divided by it is 50, 55 ja 250. No, 5 5 ja 25, 250 plus 30 280 upon 50. So you can make them in this way, 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. So it will be 13 into 7 upon 100, 100 into 100. Now divide will be converted into multiplication, and what will be there then? Reciprocal of 280 upon 50. Okay, now come to the question. 13 into 7 upon 100 multiplied by reciprocal means 50 go on the top, 50 upon 280. So this 0 and 0 will become cancelled. Okay, so 13 into 7 into 5 upon 100 into 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 or 0. So what will remain on the numerator now? 13 into 1 means 13 upon 24 ja 80. So this will be your answer in this way. So B part of this question you will perform yourself. I have done 2 parts from this question. Start. Mr. Sundarlal left 1/2 of his property to an old age home. Okay, whatever amount of the property he was having, half of that he has given to the old age home. Then how much he will left? Obviously half of whole property. Okay, then his remaining property means half of the property he has divided equally amongst his 3 daughters. Okay, how much did each daughter get if the cost of the entire property is 72 crore? Okay, see that solution. Half of this property he has given to the to whom? Old age home. So old age home is equal to half of the total property. Half of the total property. Okay, it means 1/2 into 72 crore. Okay, so it will be 36 crore. How much? 36 crore will be given to the old age home. Old age home. And same, half of that got old age home, and this much part will be left with him. Okay, so remaining part is equal to remaining part of property is equal to again 36. Then by adding them it will become 72 crore na. So 36 crore he has given to the old age home, and 36 crore with left with him, that he will divide equally to the amongst the 3 daughters. Now see that what we have to calculate, how much did each daughter get if the cost of his entire property is 72 crore, and this remaining property 36 crore he has divided equally to in amongst his 3 daughters. So let then remaining part of property is divided amongst 3 daughters. Okay, 3 daughters. Let the part of one daughter suppose x, then second daughter will also get x, third daughter will also get, is equal to how much? 36. Okay, maybe everybody of you have understood up to here. Means equally 3 daughters will get this much of part. So if we will add x, how many x it will be? 3x is equal to 36 crore. Okay, so x is equal to 36 crore divided by 3. So x is equal to, so part of one daughter, this will be the part of one daughter, means each part of each daughter will be equal to 12 crore. This will be your answer. Okay, पहुँचे. Now see that again one more time I am explaining this question. Mr. Sundarlal left 1/2 his property to an old age home, and this was the amount of his old property, 72 crore. So half of this, how much it will be? Obviously half of 72 will be 36 crore he has given to the old age home. Okay, and same amount of property will be left with him. That will be the remaining property will be also 36 crore, because if you will add them again its value will become equal to the 72 crore. Okay, then remaining part of the property he has divided amongst his 3 daughters. Let the part of, because we don't know how much one daughter is getting, so we have taken let the part of one daughter is x. So 3 daughters are getting equal parts, so x plus x plus x is equal to 36 crore. So 3x is equal to 36 crore. So x is equal to 36 crore divided by 3. So x will be 12 crore. So part of each daughter will be of 12 crore. Okay. Now move to the next one. Side of rectangle you have to given 4.5 centimeter. What you have to find? Semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means semi perimeter. Okay, is equal to perimeter divided by 2. Always semi means half. Semi means half of the perimeter. Everybody of you knows the perimeter's formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to side of rectangle. Oh, not rectangle, it is triangle. Side of triangle. Side of triangle. Semi perimeter is equal to perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Okay. Now sum of all sides means, because we have given one side, so if rest of the sides are not given, it means each side is 4.5 centimeters. So what will be its perimeter? 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. You can see that 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. One carry. 13.3 centimeter will be perimeter. Okay. Now semi perimeter. Semi perimeter is equal to 13.5 divided by 2. I told you that semi means half of the perimeter. Now divide it in. It will be 2 6 is 12. 1 carry. Then again it will be point. Then it will be 15. 2 7 is 14 or 2 5. This much will be the semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay. So in this way your question number 5 also have completed. Now we are moving to the next one. See that now Rakesh and Krishna paid rupees 9,000 to a charity. Both the partners have paid by collecting 9,000 to the charity. Rakesh paid 2/5 of the amount. And what is the amount? This is, okay, of means multiply. 2/5. And what is the amount? 2/5 of the amount. And what is the amount? Amount is 9,000 into 9,000. So what it will be? 2 into 9,000 divided by 5. Now make it cancel by 5. 5 1 ja 5 4, 5 8 ja 40, 0 0. So Rakesh paid is equal to okay. So Rakesh paid. Now calculate it. How much it will be? 1800 multiplied by 2. How much it will be? 3600. Okay, rupees 3600. out of 9,000 Rakesh paid how much? 3,600. Then how much Krishna had paid? Krishna paid, total amount was, total amount minus Rakesh paid. Rakesh paid. See that total amount is 9,000 minus 3,600. Now make them subtraction. 9,000 minus 3,600. Make them subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. So Krishna paid how much? 5,400 rupees. Maybe everybody of you have understood this one also. Okay. So just enough for here today, and 2 more questions are remaining in this exercise. Those questions we will discuss in the next class before starting the next topic. So whatever homework I have given to you, that homework you will complete, and I am again repeating that the class work means whatever I am doing, these solutions you are able to note down from your video also. So you will note down these by pen, and whatever homework you are getting, that homework you will do by the pencil, so that if any correction will be possible, you can make them correct. Because if once you will do by the pen, so it will not be, you will not be able to do them again by the correction you can't do. So in this way you are always cutting down, and it is, your copy is looking very dirty. Better is that homework part should be done by the pencil, so that every child can try to attempt the questions. And if you will have any doubt, you can put in my personal WhatsApp number, okay, or in group you can discuss with me, so that in next class first of all we discuss those questions and rest of the things. Okay, homework is necessary to do every day. You just complete your homework, and after completing your homework, again I am repeating, don't send in WhatsApp group. I will check the homework of those students, only those are sending in the classroom. If you will send me your homework in WhatsApp group, I am not going to check your homework. Thank you, and Jai Gurudev to all of you till that.